channel. It's Leanne here. Welcome back to Leanne's Playhouse. This day is another different video because we have the O.M.G. LOL. Check it out, guys. It has 25 surprises. And it's also winter disco. Wow. And it has a fluffy handle to carry. See? It's white and fluffy. So, I chose this one. Her name is Snowlicious. And her sister is called Snow Angel. Let's unbox it, guys. We need a scissor to unbox it. Okay, let's get started. I'm so excited. Wow, looks very cool. Okay, I think we're gonna take this out. Alright, with the scissor again. I wonder how it looks like. I'm almost there. I removed it. Now let's see here. Wow, this is what I got, guys. Wow, she's so pretty. Okay, guys, let's open it. Here it says pull here sticker. Okay. So I'm gonna take the sticker. Wow, you guys! Look at that! Look at her, guys. She is so amazing. Okay, now let's get her out. She's so pretty. Look at her dressing room. So nice. Here's the dressing room. She has a surprise blind bag. Let's take her out. Wow, she also comes with a stand. Look at these pretty braids. Wow. Okay, let's take the surprise. And the O.M.G. LOL. It looks just like a real one. Let's take her hand with the scissor. Alright, got the first hand. Cut her hair. Here. This. Now she's free. Wow! Look at her, guys. Look at her braids. So awesome. Her hands can bend. Look. Her hands can bend here and here. Oh, look at these pretty nails. So tiny and sharp. Wow, let's see if she can do a split. Wow, she can do it. All right. She also came with a brush. Wow. Let's brush her hair. Okay, I'm done. Now let's take the stand. Oh, let me take the stand out. And looks like a fashion show. Hi. She looks very gorgeous. She can also move her head like that also. And look her eyes, her lipstick, and also her braids. Look at the braid off the back. It's really awesome. Okay, now let's open here. Wow, look at. Here's her sister. Oh, look at these things. They're so cool. What? There's something here. There's like things. Maybe they're playing in here. Alright, let's get these out. Okay. Let's see her dress. Oh no, the LOL, the little LOL is stuck. Where's the scissor? I'm gonna take her and cut it. Oh, she's free! Look at her. She has headphones. Oh, the headphones are tied. Oh, I think it's a rubber band. Oh, it is a rubber band. I'm gonna take the rubber band off. Now she can take the headphones off. Wow, this looks so pretty. How does it look without it? Nice. All right, let's put her back so she can stay nice and cozy. Okay guys, now let's open the shoebox. Let's see what's inside. It's a surprise for the O.M.G doll. Okay. Wow, look at this, guys. So she got like a bag that you put on your waist. Super tiny. Aw, it's cute. Super duper tiny. You can put tiny things in here. Oh, and it also came with this tiny mirror thing. So you can check anything or makeup. And here it's glittery. Okay, let's see if she can hold it. It fits a little. Okay guys, now let's put it in her bag. Okay, super tiny. And it also fits. Let's close it up. Okay. Close it up. Oh, it's cute. You can put your phone or anything inside it. Oh guys, we have another surprise. Let's open it, guys. I think it's for the O.M.G or the little sister. Let's open it. Okay. I wonder what it is. Alright. She got a perfect bag, like the other one. But this one is more fluffy. Oh, it also can close. And this teeny tiny dots. I can't even close that. It's okay, I can just bend it like that, or it's okay like that. So I'm trying to close that teeny tiny dot to here. Oh, I did it. Oh, it's okay. Like that. Let's see if it fits her. Okay, put her hand like that. It's like a school bag. Ooh. Okay, her other hand. Alright. Wow. Look at that, guys. Oh, but it can't fit her. It's okay. You can just carry it on one hand. Ooh, she's ready to go to school. Let's see if she can fit on this. LOL. Alright. She's supposed to go to school, not the big sister supposed to go to school. Alright, now let's put your backpack. This backpack is so fluffy. Oh, it's too big for her. What? How can she walk? Okay, do it like that. She's ready to go to school. Ready to go to school? Okay, bye. Hi. She's like pretend to go into school. Like she's sitting in class. Hi, miss. Look at my new bag. Oh, your new bag is nice. Okay, it's math time. Okay, I'll get my math book and my pencil. She's pretending that she even doesn't. Okay, I'm getting it. Got it. Okay. Now let's open the other surprise. It's this one. Alright. Oh, she got another surprise. Alright, let's open the surprise. She got some cute shoes. Oh my gosh, look at them. They're like my favorite colors and it's fuzzy from here. Okay, she has another one that matches it. Okay, now let's put it here. Here. Okay, now also let's open her dressing. Okay, first. I wonder how is she gonna look like. She's gonna look good. Okay. Oh, they're all stick together, I think. Okay, now take it out. Oh, I think I need a scissor. I opened it. Oh, it's also tied from here. Now let's see what's inside here. Her clothing. Wow! Look at that, guys. Wow, this is amazing. Look at these pants. They're so glittery. Oh, they also open so you can put it on. Let's put it on. I think it's gonna fit. It's fit. Wow. Okay, put on her legs. Okay, put her arm up. Now dress her up. Okay, I think this one she wants to go to Wonderland because she's from, like, she's wearing cozy things. That's why, I think. Okay, put it on. It's so cute. All right. Come on, feet. Okay, put it on. I put it on, then I'm gonna close the clip. All right, let's see this style if you like it, guys. Ooh. Now let's wear the boots. All right, wear the boots. It's gonna be comfy and nice. All right, go in. Almost there. Put your leg in. Oh, that. She is done. Wow, she looks gorgeous with these shoes. Now I'm gonna do the other one. Alright. So put it on. And let's see a style. Wow. Look at these pretty boots. Oh, she can go to Wonderland like that. Wow. Now let's sing this one. I think this one is her t-shirt. Alright. She got a fuzzy jacket. Oh, and another outfit. Wow. This is the best one. Oh, it's cute. Look at that. Very fluffy, like a dog. Okay, and she also have this one. Wow, this one looks nice. It has like a hole here, so it's like a decoration, I think. Open it up, and now let's dress you up. Alright, now let's put it here, and here we go. Hey, why are you doing like that? Let's put her hand inside here. I'm just gonna try to put the jacket without this one. So let's see. It's gonna be comfy and nice to go to Wonderland. Okay, put your hand and get ready. Okay. Wow, she looks amazing with that jacket. Wow. Okay, let's put the other hand. Okay. Oh, it's super cute. I wish that it has a zipper. Oh, wow. Look at her, guys. Hi, my name is Snowlicious, and I'm going to the vacation. Going to the Winter Wonderland. See you guys. She looks very nice. And I love her dressing and her surprise. Oh, and also we forgot one more thing. We gotta open the LOL sister bottle. Oh, looks like a coffee. Let's see if she can hold that. Okay. She can also hold it. Wow. This girl is amazing. Now look at her. She's getting all comfy and ready to go. I am ready to go too. I am all ready to go on my vacation. See you. See? That's very nice. It doesn't fit on her because only this one, her mouth is opening, so she can only fit the coffee also. Okay. Let's see if she can carry also her. Okay. So pretend like this is the big sister or the mom. Looks like the mom. It's because it's tall and this one is the sister. Oh, I think this one fits her. Alright, let's put her. Oh, it doesn't. Only down. Okay, now let's pretend to play. Hi. Hi, sister. You want to go on a vacation? Yes. Are you all ready? Yeah, I am all ready. All right, let's go. This is so cute. Look at this snow. I can play with snow. Oh, let's go to the cafe. Okay, I'll sit down here. Oh, I want to drink some coffee because when I get here, I stay comfy. Ooh, that's delicious. Do you want to try? Yes, sure. I want a milkshake. That tastes yummy. Alright, I think I'm ready to go. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like my video, please give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bell. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. Bye guys.